How do I stop my toilet from clogging? Let's talk about it. Hey, my name is Zach with Western Heating, Air, and Plumbing. Here are a few tips about clogged toilets. Tip number one, if it doesn't belong in the toilet, don't put it in the toilet. This will include things like flushable wipes, as they're not really flushable, feminine products, Q-tips, dental floss. Use your common sense. If it doesn't belong in the toilet, don't put it in the toilet. The appropriately named tip number two, don't flush too much toilet paper. If you feel like you're going to use a lot, maybe flush it halfway through. Tip number three, if your toilet's clogged, try using a plunger. If it's not going down, it's time to call a plumber. We know it's a crappy situation, but we hope these tips help. Here at Western Heating, Air, and Plumbing, we want your plumbing to run as efficiently as possible, and we're here to help. If you have any questions, reach out today.